Artificial intelligence can now write code, fix bugs, and even build applications. Tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot can generate working programs in seconds. So this raises a big question for developers and students around the world. Will AI replace programmers? To answer this, we need to understand what AI coding tools can actually do and what programmers really do. Today, AI coding tools can generate code simply from a text prompt. These tools are trained on massive datasets of programming code. Using machine learning models, they learn patterns in how software is written and can predict what code should come next. For example, if a developer starts writing a function, the AI can automatically suggest the next lines of code. This can save developers a lot of time when writing repetitive logic. But programming is much more than just writing code. Developers solve complex problems and design software systems. They decide how applications should be structured, how services communicate, and how systems scale to millions of users. For example, building a large application may involve databases, APIs, authentication systems, and cloud infrastructure. Designing these systems requires human planning and engineering. AI tools are extremely good at certain tasks. They can analyze code patterns and quickly generate solutions for common programming problems. For instance, if a developer asks an AI to create a REST API endpoint, the AI can generate the basic structure within seconds. But real-world software systems are far more complex. Large applications can contain thousands of files and millions of lines of code. Understanding the full context of these systems is still very difficult for AI. Even when AI generates code, developers must review it carefully to ensure it works correctly and securely. Imagine building an online marketplace. The system must handle payments, product listings, user authentication, recommendation systems, and secure transactions. While AI can help generate pieces of code, human developers must design the entire system and ensure everything works together reliably. The future of programming will not be humans versus AI. Instead, AI will become a powerful tool that helps developers write better software faster. Just like calculators didn't replace mathematicians, AI coding assistants will not replace programmers. So, will AI replace programmers? The answer is no. Programming will evolve, and developers will increasingly work alongside AI tools to build more powerful software. And this leads to one important reality. AI will not replace programmers. But programmers who use AI will replace those who don't. The developers who learn to work with AI will become faster, more productive, and more valuable in the future of software development.